Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss a real-life situation. We're going to figure out how to keep a house warm. Imagine that the solid here represents a wall of a house. The wall is cold, but the inside of the house is hot. So the inside of the house is warm since there are heaters, while the outside of the house is cold because of the cold weather. Now, let us click on play to start the model and watch what happens for 30 seconds. The temperature of the wall, as you can see on the right side, increased, which means that heat is transferred directly to the outside. Many houses have cavity walls, which have a gap between two layers of brick. We will now represent this situation. We'll choose the cavity wall and we will create a gap between the two walls. Predict whether the heat is conducted more quickly or slowly with a cavity compared to the solid wall. We will add the thermometers so you can check your answers. Now you should try and figure out the difference. So in the solid wall, the heat was transferred for around 30 seconds. While here in the cavity wall, we'll see how much time it will take. Well, it's definitely taking more time than the solid wall. It took about 35 to 40 seconds to reach the full temperature scale. So the heat is transferred more slowly in a cavity wall than in a solid wall, and thus preventing heat loss and conserving the energy inside the house. So that's why people usually tend to build cavity walls rather than building solid walls. Thanks for watching.